Alright, this is for Metro DSM. I'm here at my rental house in Colorado, and we have two garage doors. They both have what appear to be overhead door legacy garage door openers. This one, we cannot open this one because this trailer is in the way. If you look here, that's why it's unplugged. So this one does not operate, but this one does. So I'm gonna go ahead and run this one here. You can see up there, wiring on the back. Here's the wall controls. This one is for that one, which is unplugged. And this one's for this one. So there it is. Up, I think the light bulb's burnt out in it. And it is chain drive. And does have photo eye sensors. Here's the keypad. Just a clicker, Chamberlain, or whatever. Yeah, but here's what the doors look like from the outside. I guess I'll go ahead and close the door now. I'll demonstrate the sensors. For a chain drive, this is actually really quiet. And another thing I like about Genies and overhead doors is going down, when you run the door down, you can stop it. But we'll go ahead and close it now. There we go. That'll be it.